Originating from Benguet State University, this is Camaraderie, Boses ng Bayan, Boses ng Bakong.
Hello, comrades! For today's episode, we'll be discussing about journalism. Ano nga ba ang journalism?
Ano nga ba ang journalism?
Journalism is gathering, writing, and reporting of news sources such as newspaper. Alam niyo ba kung saan derived ang word na journalism?
Saan?
Journalism was derived from the word journal, which means daily register or a diary or a book. Journalism is one of the most important professions, since it informs the citizens about the current news and informations about their community. In terms of journalism, they call a researcher journalist. Ang journalist, siya ang nag-i-investigate. Kumukuha ng ibang impormasyon at kinakalat ito sa publiko. But, there's a downside when it comes to journalism. According to De Jesus 2015, according to him, the Philippines always had a complicated relationship when it comes to press. Ang common dito ay ang self-regulation na kung saan ang government or ang isang media organization ang kumokontrol sa mga journalist. Another self-regulation is corporate control. Example, there are 3 sizes of newspaper. So, if you wanna know more, see you on my next video. That's all for this episode. And don't forget, with camaraderie, your studies are worry-free. Bye!